When you're working with Storyline's drag and drop interactions and you've set the attempts to anything more than 2, you'll have a try again layer, which means that when the learner submits the interaction, if they don't have the correct choices, you'll see a try again layer, which lets them retry the quiz. Well, if you're working with the try again, you'll notice that the drag objects are still placed in the exact position they were dropped the first time. So the question is, how can you reset the items back to their original position when the learner tries again? It's pretty simple to do. Let's take a look. So I'm here in Storyline, and I have a drag and drop interaction that includes 2 attempts. And you can see that up here from the Design tab on the ribbon, I have attempts set to 2. When you set the attempts to anything more than 1, you'll get a try again layer, which you can see down here in our slide layers panel. Let's go ahead and just click that layer to select it. When the user clicks the try again button, the layer is automatically hidden and the learner is returned back down to the base layer. So what we need to do here is find a way to reset the entire slide. And we can do that with a second trigger. What we're going to do is set up a trigger that jumps to the slide, and which slide is the same slide. We're just going to reload the slide when the learner clicks try again. So we choose drag and drop sorting. When user clicks the try again button, click OK. And there's one more change we need to make, and that is to reset all of our objects to their initial state. So let's jump down to the base layer, choose slide properties, and what we want to do for revisiting, we don't want to automatically decide. In this case, we want to reset to the initial state. Click OK, and let's try this again. Preview the slide. All right, I'll just make a couple choices here real quick, and let's make our selection. Here's my try again. I press try again. Notice how we reset the entire slide, and we're right back down at the initial file. And that's how easy it is to set up a drag and drop interaction that resets the drag items to their initial state when the learner tries again.